Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. What's up, Mr. Jama? I'm Mujama. Sorry I've not been videoing for a while. I'm in exam class. I'm going to enter secondary school by September. Bear with me during the holiday. I'll do better. Now let's begin. So guys, today we'll be taking on the subject mathematics. Under the topic we have using tens and units, addition using different methods. So we're going to use tens and units to add, and we're going to use different methods. I hope you are getting me. Now, the sign for addition is plus. It is the shape of a cross. You can call it summation, you can call it addition sign, you can call it plus. Anyone you choose to call it. There are so many more to call it. Now, let's continue. Well, we're going to go with example 1. Use tens and units. Add 10 and 15. Find the sum. I've explained it. Sum means addition. You should add, okay? Add 10 and 15. They have told us what we are going to add. 10 and 15. Find the sum. We have so many ways of doing addition. Let me just show you method 1. Add 10 and 15 using method 1. We're going to use method 1. Now, we all know that tens is denoted with T. So we're going to write it now. Tens is denoted with T. This T stands for tens. This T stands for tens. You can denote it with T. Some people do that. To make you understand it, we denote it with T. Now, unit. We denote it with U to make it understandable. So, U stands for units. We denote it with U. Let's start placing it under the tens and units. Now let's start from the bigger number, just to make it understandable and there will be no confusion. So 1 will go under tens and 5. Now, why is 1 going under tens? Because when you are adding it, you will see they will write this 10, 5, and it's for them. So as you are adding it, you will see that this 10 is the beginning of tens. Beginning of tens. Keep that in your medulla. And we add it, we get 15. So that is why 1 is going under tens. And 5 is going under units. Let's continue. Now to place the smaller number, we are going to place the 1 under tens. It should be straight. This one. then the 0 under the units. Now we put our sign, which is summation of plus, which we choose to call it. Then we draw our line. Now we add. I hope guys you are getting this. It's very simple. Addition is very simple. Let's go. Now 5 plus 0. Or you can say 5. Find the summation if you add it to 0. So 5 plus 0. Now guys, let's continue for method 2. I'm just going to divide the board. Method 2. We're still going to use these numbers that they gave us to do this method 2. Still going to give us the same answer. I don't want to waste the board. Now let's continue. In method 2, this is how we're going to do it. We all know that 15 is 1/10 and 5 units. So we're going to write it like this. One-tenth goes like this. Five minutes. Guys, are you getting it? It's very simple. There's no confusion there. Now 10. 1/10. 0 minutes. 1/10, 0 units. Now it's time to put our sign. Instead about the sign. Right here at the left hand side. So our line. Now write units. It's just the same addition, there's no confusion there. Now 5 plus 0 equals to 5 units. Then 1/10 plus 1/10 equals to 2/10. Am I correct? Now this is 2/10, 5 units. This is what we're going to do now. Now we're going to come right here. 2/10. 2/10 equals to 20 is 20. 5 units. Since there is no, this is what we're going to do. We add it. Are you guys getting it? It's very simple. It's very simple. Then we add 0 plus 5. 0 is nothing. Anything you add to 0 is the number itself. So we're going to bring down 5. Then there's nothing here. If you want, you can put 0 so that there will be no confusion. It's just simple. 2 plus 0. 0 is nothing. Anything you add to 0 is that number itself. Now we have 25 as we got here. So now we know that 2/10, 5 units is actually 25. Guys, can you see method 2 and method 1? We got the same answer. I hope you guys learned it well. This is what we got. We got 25. Got 25. You see, In method 2, they're just using English to confuse you, but don't mind the English. This is what we get. 2 times 5 units. As we add, we got 25. Again, 25. Friends, I hope today was educative. I hope you learned much from today's topic, addition. We used different methods and we still got the same answer. If you're having problem in mathematics or you're having problem with this topic, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. Share to other friends so that they could watch this and understand more about addition. Thanks for watching. Bye. Friends, I hope today was educative. In my next video, I'll be using tens and units to subtract with different methods. You're going to love that one. So if you want to see more of me and addition with mathematics and subtraction, so many of them, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe and share. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. Bye, I love you.